Just a quick tip why it's important to do a thorough pre-inspection of your upholstered furniture before you attempt to spot clean or do an overall cleaning.
Hey, it's Dave with Regal Fabric here. We have a quick tip for you when you're trying to have upholstered fabric cleaned, especially some nice cotton velvet upholstery. What we're finding, and we've seen over the years, is the manufacturers are putting, because it's the law, a flame retardant on the inside, on the ticking, which is the inside behind the fabric of a sofa like this. It's a flame retardant that if you ever drop a cigarette or a cigar on this, it doesn't turn into a full-blown fire. But what's happening is, even if the piece has never been cleaned in the past, the flame retardant is coming through into the face fiber, which can cause a mess for the cleaner and obviously for you, the owner of the piece. Sometimes you can see it with the naked eye. If the camera comes in, you can see it here. It's usually around these buttons here, parts of this arm. You can definitely see it over here, right up in here. And this has only been cleaned once before, and typically a water-based cleaning, which is the best way to clean, but it can bring that flame retardant out. Now, if you have access to a black light, which is a UV light, which is what I'm holding here, sometimes it makes it glow even more, especially under a simple video camera that we're using. You see that? The red glows, and that's a telltale sign. It's obviously this is not from a spill. It wouldn't, nothing that could spill would make those marks, but you can see it here, even across to the other side of the sofa. You can see it in different areas. So what our goal here is to do is to try, we probably won't be able to remove all that, but our goal is to try to make this as unnoticeable as possible. If we can remove some of it, great, but what we don't want to do through the cleaning process is pull more of that flame retardant through the fabric, and when the fabric dries, have it sit on top and be very visible, ruining the look of the piece. If you have questions or comments, please leave them below. We appreciate you watching. Again, just a quick tip, Regal Fabric here in the Boston area. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you as one of our subscribers. Thanks again.
Have an idea for a cool video you'd like to see us do? Let us know. Comment below. Thanks.